Hey everyone, my name is Jeffrey Falkinburg and I'm a professor here at UNL in the School of Computing. I'm excited to be able to sponsor the Husker Heartbeat project. This project is going to be hardware and software focused, and what you build will benefit engineering students and faculty throughout UNL and around the world by providing a useful piece of test equipment. The Husker Heartbeat project will be an all-in-one cross-platform iOS, Android, and web app application that will provide a cheap and easy way for non-medical professionals to have easy way to view, record, and analyze electrocardiograph information for themselves. This version of the ECG will also interface wirelessly with the electrodes through a custom PCB and interface also with Samsung and Apple Watches. This image gives you an idea of what the Heartbeat app will look like on phones, tablets, and web app. It'll give you an idea of how it'll enable users to work across platforms to record and analyze that data for themselves, and that app will have the following capabilities. The app is going to have a scrolling waveform. It'll measure things like beats per minute. It'll display frequency. It'll measure the P wave, T wave, and QRS pulse. You'll be able to load and save that buffer, as well as connecting to Samsung and Apple watches, just like it was shown in the larger mock-up in the previous slide. Again, for this app, the team will create a custom hardware PCB that will receive a single lead with 3 conductors through a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. The leads will be similar to this, where it'll actually connect to that audio jack to our custom PCB. It'll take those 3 conductor interfaces that will go to a similar interface as the AD8232 single lead interface, where it can process, amplify, and filter that information and those signals to be able to be transmitted via some sort of microcontroller to our apps. Again, this is a blown up view of our custom PCB. This is just mocked up by AI, so it's not completely correct, but just to give you an idea of what we're going to be doing. Some of the stakeholders for this application will be engineering students and faculty throughout UNL and other colleges and universities. I, Jeff Falkenberg, am the principal investigator and your primary contact. Sue Scholke is an associate professor at UNMC College of Nursing, and she'll be a subject matter expert, as well as Kara Higgins, who is a registered nurse at Nebraska Medicine. She'll also serve as a subject matter expert. But we'll also be interfacing with other students and faculty here at UNL and around the world. A little background on me: I've been teaching in the School of Computing for 7 years, and in that time I've been a senior design tribe lead and sponsor supporting many senior design projects over the years. I've also teach an intro to the School of Computing seminar for freshmen, introducing the College of Engineering and School of Computing to those freshmen. Furthermore, I teach a computer organization class where students learn about how to design and build an iOS processor on an FPGA. Additionally, I teach an embedded systems class where students learn how to build drivers for an Arduino to interface with things like buttons and servos, and eventually build a robot to autonomously go through a maze. They also learn how to interface with an LCD and a joystick so they can build a retro Pong game and Etch-a-Sketch. Lastly, I teach advanced embedded systems where engineering students learn how to develop the hardware and software interfaces for an oscilloscope and function generator on the Nexus Video FPGA. These students in my Advanced Embedded Systems class actually use a similar app called Husker Scope that interfaces with hardware that they create in class, and that interfaces with their board as well. In conclusion, If you're interested in an all-in-one cross-platform piece of test equipment to aid engineering students, and you're interested in hardware and software division driven project, please join us at Husker Heartbeat. I hope you decide to join the Husker Heartbeat team. Thanks.